Okay, I want to specially welcome everybody to tonight's session. You all know the purpose of this, boot camp is to train you to become a project manager and a business analyst. And for me, based on my experience over the years, even if you want, have a PhD in project management and you have not delivered even a single project, you are not a project manager. Project management is all about experience. It's not the way it is theoretically, it's the way you are going to see it in real life. It's a different scenario. A lot of things can disrupt your project, and that's why we're providing this life experience where we are going to work on a project, a live project as a group, as a project team, and on a company, a live company. And it's going to bridge the gap. So many of us are struggling to get a job because we don't have experience. So it's going to bridge the gap that you are inexperienced, how many years of experience, you've never experienced a project before. After working on a live project before like this, you are going to have the normal experience needed to scale through to get your first job. And the project you are going to work on is just not ordinary project. It's one of the top projects globally. ERP is a top project, is a top domain globally. Anywhere around the world, and we talk about your experience on ERP or CRM or HR applications, they are not gonna look down on you. As a matter of fact, no serious company around the world, every serious company around the world must have an ERP. If you don't have ERP, what's the full meaning of ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. How do you manage your resources? Enterprise is called company. That is the meaning of enterprise. Resource is their resources. Resources is money. Resources is human capital. That's why I say human resources and capital resources. And these are the two things that is keeping every company, every organization alive. So ERP is a system that helps them to manage these key assets, human resources and their money, how the in and outflow of money, it needs to be documented, not on paper. A system needs to capture it. These are the main purpose of ERP. Even a church have money. It has not only money, people working in the church, schools, anywhere, government, bank, everywhere. It's all about money. Even those who are in the farm, it's all about money and people working in that farm. So everybody needs this ERP. Every company, Facebook, Google, all of them requires ERP. So it's going to give you the necessary experience you need. So why I'm taking my time is for you to understand the importance of what you are doing. If you want to be serious about it, try to learn it, or if you want to just want to grab your certificate, because so many of you just have certificate. They're not even looking for a job. I don't know when we'll overgrow this mentality of I have certificates. It's no longer working. What is working is your skill set, what you've been able to do. So that's it. And our company, all of you know, is called ChantUp. So if you have not signed up to see how ChantUp is working, well, it's up to you. I'm not going to force anybody to sign up or not to sign up, you know. So, but this is where you are working. And yeah, let me from here share so today is God. I'm gonna take us kind of introduce us in the environment. What I'm talking about ChantUp is that it's going to come on your CV. You know, if you want to, you like it or not, this is what we've got to offer. And ChantUp meets every global standard. It's a serious challenger, social e-commerce, you know, very big initiative. And we've come a long way. So this company you are seeing like this is almost 5 years, but we are building it within our own capacity. But today, I think we've got to the where we want it to be so that we can openly introduce it to the public. So we are going public from this month. We are going public. All this while we've not gone public. We've just been, you know, trying, and well, going forward, we are going public. We've registered this company. We've what is remaining now is our bank account, which is we are working on it. As soon as the bank account is ready, so that we can process transaction. ChantUp is like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn combined together in one platform. So it's a serious business. For those who are serious, we want to create massive employment. You know, I've been teaching people how to go get job, but it's time I start creating job for people. You know, that is me. Somebody like me, I'm retiring from the active force of working for people. As a matter of fact, for the past 2 years now, I've not worked for any company. I've been working for myself. And that's what I promised myself. You know, I promised myself that before I become 50, I will stop working for people. And before then, I started practicing it. And I've hit that target, you know, even before I become 50. So that's it. We are looking for investors as well in ChantUp. So to scale our operation, for some of us here who have rich brothers, rich uncle, rich husband, and rich wife, so we are looking for someone that will give us at least £2 million. That's just small, just £2 million. That's what we're looking for now to scale our operation. And I know we're going to get it, you know. So, yeah. I'll share my screen so that we see what we've got to offer. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to start from this project brief. We all know what project brief is all about. That is where we're going to start. That is a project brief. So this is to brief us about the intention the objectives, what we want from you in this project, and it's documented. Like I say, project brief can be a written document, or it can be just a one-on-one meeting where the project sponsor talk to you about what they want to achieve, or the challenges they are having. They want you and your team to help them address. So in this case, this is a ChantUp. We want to implement ERP system. I've told us what ERP system is. So it's the implementation of this ERP system to centralize enterprise resource planning system to streamline and integrate business operations across departments. This ERP system will enhance data accuracy, improve operational efficiency, and support the growth of ChantUp as it expands its service offering and user base. The implementation will address current inefficiencies in finance, HR, inventory management, and customer relationship management, thereby enabling better decision-making and scalability. So it's central to improvement and scalability. Any organization that do not have a good ERP system will struggle to manage their resources. The objective of this project is to enhance operational efficiency, integrate and automate core functions to reduce manual process and increase workflow efficiency, improve data accessibility, centralize data across departments to allow for accurate real-time reporting and improve decision-making, support business growth, establish a scalable ERP system that can adapt to the company's growth and expanding range of services, increase customer satisfaction, streamline customer service and CRM functions to ensure faster response time and higher service quality, and ultimately cost saving, reduce overhead costs by minimizing redundancies and optimize resource allocation. The scope here is selection of the vendor, selection of the right ERP, because we have so many ERP systems in the market. So your duty is going to be to help us select it. So you guys have done solutions evaluation. So you see all the things you've learned, how it's going to come handy to select the ERP platform that aligns with the business need, budget, and technical requirement of ChantUp. Module implementation. The ERP will include finance, human resources, inventory, and customer relationship management, CRM, and reporting module. Data migration, migrate existing data from current system to new ERP system, ensuring data accuracy and completeness. Training and support, provide end users training to staff and establish a support for ongoing assistance. Testing and quality assurance, conduct thorough testing to ensure module functions correctly and integrates with other systems. Go live and transition, launch the ERP system and transition to full operational status with a post-implementation review for performance optimization. So these are what you are expected to cover. And key deliverables, ERP platform selection reports, implementation plan, data migration completion, training materials and the session. So these are things that you need to, as their key deliverables. You need to deliver all this and it needs to be reviewed. So testing and QA reports and go live plan. And who are the stakeholders here? The stakeholders here are the project sponsor, which is going to be ChantUp executive leadership and project manager. So one thing we need to do is we've created a group. We've split you guys into groups, and each group is going to have a project lead. So I don't know how you guys are going to do it, but yeah, Odinaka and Chidera will assist you guys. It's just 4 groups, so you guys are not much. So Odinaka and Chidera will assist you guys to select. Yeah, it's going to be election. It's going to be between today and tomorrow. It should be between the next 3 days. You should have a project lead immediately. So if you are interested in leading your team, indicate your interest. You can drop your manifesto, how you plan to lead your team. All the people that are interested should come out. So after the nomination, then if it's only one person, people can choose to go with. I'm not going to appoint anybody here. You know, all of you are my friends, and I believe in all of you's capacity. So whoever is interested, you come out. Over time, you guys have been working together now. You're beginning to know everybody's capacity. You're beginning to understand among you who are the selfless people who can lead, those who are making sacrifice, always supporting one another, always still trying to troubleshoot when somebody is having problem. It's up to you. So if you choose the right person, the wrong person, if you choose it because it's your friend and your friend is not capable, you are destroying yourself, because this is a serious project that is going to help you in future. So that is it. So that's why the project manager, every team, every group must have a team lead. You know, it's just going to be first among equal. All of you are project managers, all of you are business analysts, but you need to have one person to lead. So then IT team responsible for technical setup, integration and testing. Departmental head responsible for providing insights and requirements for respective modules. ERP vendors and end users, yeah, which is going to be end users of and that's it. And the project timeline is expected to be, so by the highest is not the highest is 2 months. If you can deliver it in less than 2 months, that's very good. But this project is not going to exceed January. That is the point here. By January, we wrap up. So yeah, that is it. And budget here is 10 million. Estimated budget is 10 million. If there is need to increase the budget, we'll look at it. And risk and mitigation, we've got risk and mitigation. We think is you guys have the capacity to say that, yeah, we need to change this risk. This is not what we think is risk here. This is not what. So, but this is what we think is expected risk. You guys are project managers and you guys are business analysts. You guys should know even better than me. I'm just a common company employee trying to implement a system. So success criteria: operational efficiency, reduction in manual process and operation delay by at least 30%. Data accuracy, improved data accuracy, reflect in real-time reporting and analytics. User adoption, achieve a minimum of 90% user adoption rate within the first 3 months. And system performance, minimal system downtime, and streamline support, post-go live, and feedback, customer satisfaction feedback. So enhance customer metrics with improved response time and feedback. And approval: the project sponsor and key stakeholders are required to review and approve this and authorize the start of this. So on that note, I've approved it. So this, now you can work on this. This is just the first document we are releasing on this project. So it's now your duty as a team, business analyst. You have to move up, go, you and your team, project manager, or to get a, but the main thing is, this is initial document, just a brief. So you need to go get the requirement, the full requirement, understand the full problem, and make sure that you get the right solution for the problems. That is it. So we are going to make this document available immediately. So everybody, I think everybody should have a copy of it to review it, you know. So this is your first project brief. Yeah. So that is it. And if you don't know where to start, I've shared this document with you people before. This is a project work breakdown structure framework. So if you don't know where to start, you can make use of this document. You know, this document will help you to break this project into stages. You know, you see it. The first thing here is receive a project brief. You see the way I've done it for you guys. So identify stakeholders, follow it, and it's going to guide you till the closure stage. Follow it item by item. So you can see all the items here. They are all need to be followed one after the other. So what does it mean? It means that if you have 2 months to do this, it means that yeah, every of these, you see, it's four stages here. It means that every stage should take you 2 weeks to capture every stage. So 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. If you capture it 2 weeks every stage, within 2 months, you must have captured the whole, complete the whole project, and the project starts now. So that's it. So I'm going to, I think I've released this, I'm going to upload it again for those who do not have it. So that's it. And the next is going to be where you are going to work, the project collaborative environment. And that is it here. So that is where you are going to work. And you see here we have provision for everybody here. So go down here. You see each group. So here we have Northern group, we have a South group, we have Southwest group. As a matter of fact, the whole Southwest is Lagos people. We don't have any, you don't have any other person from any other state. It's all Lagos state, you know. And then we'll have Southeast group. So that is it. So it's expected that every of you, each and every one of you, should have your let's see. Let's look at it from the back end. So you see it here. So this is Southeast. In Southeast here, you see some of you have not, you see pending. Some of these people will come to me later and start disturbing me. I didn't receive my invitation. I'm not even going to listen to them. So when you say do something, try to do it as quickly as you can. But so many of you here have already accepted the invite. You know, you come to Southwest. You see so many of you and so many of you have not. You see pending are those who have not, you know, have not accepted their invite. You go to your email. If you go to your email, you don't go to your junk mail and check for it. This is South, and this is it. Some of you are still pending. Some of you have not accepted. So if you are waiting and you don't see it, go to, for those who have some of you who already have, maybe you've joined our this thing before, all you need to do is log in and you see yourself in this project. And then in North, we have only 4 people in North. So two people have already accepted, and then the remaining 2 people are pending. So you can see that we've done our job. So for those who say, I wasn't invited, I invited everybody who filled the form. The form I asked you to fill, yeah, that is what we used to do. So if you didn't fill this form, then you are not expected to be here. So that is it. That is the form here. And you see how many people responded. 38 people. That's what we use for the onboarding session. So that's whenever you say do something, there is a reason for that. All right. So it's expected that here coming. To come to, let's use the North people for instance here. The first thing you need to do is to come over here, come to your project, you know, and start planning your project. If you have not used this before, it's very easy. If you come to this dashboard, this is the dashboard, the timeline where you manage your project. It's going to be like this. Nothing is happening. You see it here. You come in, you see tax. Under tax, you see tax. Everything is empty. There is another picture here called discussion. This is where you people can create is like a forum inside this trade camp where you can create a topic and you guys can discuss about it. So you can add a list, or here you add a discussion. Any of you can raise a discussion. You can say, I do not understand Mr. Charles. What is he even talking about? It becomes a discussion. Somebody will say, why are you talking about Mr. Charles like that? It's our teacher. Say, God, say that, which teacher? You know, that is discussion. Okay, this is a milestone. So if you want to, you can create a milestone from here. If you say that at the end of each stage, what is the milestone? You can say, once we create a project charter, it become a milestone. Or once we create or we submit our business case, that is going to be our milestone. Then in stage 2, we talk about what is going to be the milestone in stage 2. What is going to be the milestone? So find the key area, key achievement you people will reach before. Once you are reached that, so this is going to be that's what milestone. You come here, you give it a name. You can say business case. You know. It's now going to be a milestone, and assign it to someone, and you talk about it. Is it progress? When is it going to be the due date? All these priority, attach any document that you want to be part of this. That is, and you create it. So you must select a date. You can say we want to today, let's say 14th or 15th is going to be by 15th of this month, we should have created our business case. So that is the target. It becomes a milestone, you know, and can say, okay, this what is another milestone here. Can say another milestone. Create test cases or test plan under the second stage. So when is it? Say, yeah, this is 15th. You can say, let's make it this. Let's just do it before we go to Christmas. We say 24th, and can say in progress, or put it in progress. Mind you, what I'm doing here is just for teaching purposes. So you learn how to manage all this, and you create. Yeah. And then times, so can add times to records. Yeah. So this one is not other so important, but you can still use it. Here you have a calendar. You can use your calendar to plan your work. So looking at the calendar, you see when you highlight, you can see here what you have. We have created an event on your calendar, business case. You know that by 24th, you're expecting to do this. If you want to do any other thing on calendar, you can come here directly and create an event on your calendar. You know, here click add item. If you want to have a meeting with your team on Friday, you can come here, add a meeting so everybody can see it. You know, just like where you manage your Google calendar. If you come here again, you see this is a file. If you want to upload any file, you can come here and upload a file. So yeah, and your file, you can decide to give your file a name. So um, it's not integrated. Yeah, so you can upload from your desk anywhere. That's it. So that's why you upload KK document. So but you can come here and say plan where this is, so you know where each document. You can say here, this is a folder for initiate initiate folder. So any document coming out from initiate stage, you can decide to chuck it here, and equally come here and create planning folder. You plan your work. So you can create a folder for every of the stages, so that if someone is looking for deliverable documents for initiate stage, you go here, not you go and start searching. I plan your work as a project manager. You plan activities very well, decency in the project, so everything can easily work out for the team. And ultimately, remind you that in the tax area, you have not planned your tax. So you want to plan your tax, come over here. So what you need to do is this task list, understand it, that is the key, the main category you are going to use. So if you want to add a list, this is it, add a list. This is already list they added for us here. It's called task list. You can change it, change the name. Like I'm going to change the name here to, you see, if you create, come over here, you see these three dots here, you can use it to edit. Edit, if I'm going to edit it here, and I'm going to call it initiate. Initiate stage, and I'll save it. So, and then I come over here again. So anytime you want to create, you see, I've used it to create a major step. What am I trying to do here? I want to replicate what I have here in my project. This is my document. This is document will serve as a blueprint for me. So all the initiate activities here, I'm going to move them. All everything in this activity, initiate stage, I'm going to move all of them to FreeCam. So I've created initiate. So now this is a stage. If you want to add tax under this stage, mind you, a tax, and this is a list. Some of you are going to make mistake. Tax is different from a list. List is the main stage, and tax is activity under the stage. So if I want to add this, I've deleted this, and it's not funny. Okay. Okay, this, I'm going to copy it. And I'll come over here. I'll use it to create a task here. I'll add it. You see, I've created a task here. I'll come over here again. What next? Identify stakeholders and their expectations. I'll copy it again. I'll come over here. And you see that is under initiate stage. I've added 2 activities or 2 tasks here. You see, if I want to add another one, I'll come here, add it. So that's how you are going to move. See, I'm moving these items to here. That's what is expected from you. So, and this, and yeah. So just like that, the way I'm doing it, you are expected to follow up and complete. So I've created initiate stage. I've added some tags. So the people in the north, you have to finish up. I'm just using this to teach. So, but everything I'm doing here is right. So you come here, if you want to add another stage, come to add list and create another, you see, I'll add it, call it planning. Planning stage. And if you want it to be on top of this initiate stage, you click on this, but it should be under, so I don't need to click on it. So I add, you see, I've added another stage. You come down again here, you click, you see execute. You click, you see, I'll come down again and I'll say closure. Closure stage. I'll click again. You see, I've created 4 stages. You see, they are on different lanes. Some of you will come under this one list. They will create stages under. It's not that way. It's not so. That is not the way it works here. So just follow the way I do it here, and everything will work out for you. Once you move all the activities under this, you come down under this planning stage. The same way you did it here, you scroll down here, see this is activity here, you copy it, and you come over here. So that is the main thing. So all the activities, that is the first thing you need to do. Plan your activities, you know, plan here, and equally remember at this point, once you get to the planning stage, you need to create a project plan. You know, you need to create a project plan. You know how to use project labor. Create a project, go to project labor, use it to create a project plan, which you are going to attach here. Project plan. Every document you created, you need to attach it here. So this is where the stakeholders want to review what you are doing. They are not going to, or line manager, like senior or program manager, You don't need to send them by email. Don't send them document by email. All you need to do is once we finish, for instance, here say review or create project brief. You open it, click on it, you see it's open. And you come here, you see, come over here, you assign it to someone or assign it to all of you to work on. You see, I have assigned it to everyone here. So priority here is high, and if you come here, select due date, you need to select a due date. You come here, when is it going to be due? It's expected that by Wednesday, you guys must have finished this, or can say by tomorrow, or let's just say Wednesday. By Wednesday, that is, you should have finished this, within yourself, not the one I'm doing with you. And if you come here, you put it in progress. You see, you have planned this work. You've created who is going to do this work. You've created when it is going to be due. If you have anything you want to talk about it, add it under description. If you want people to know more about what it is, and that's it. And you start collaborating with project team on using the chat here. This is the chat here. Yeah, if I'm the project lead or manager, I'll just say here, I can say, hi guys, see you tomorrow for the meeting. You post. You see, another team member can see it and say, okay, and like it. Yeah, that we'll have a meeting tomorrow. Another person can copy this link and go and share it. Somebody else can tag it. It can be edited. You can even decide to delete it. You can bookmark this comment. A team member can reply it and say which meeting. So you see which meeting, or somebody can say, okay, I've finished this. I need to attach document here. You click on his. You have finished. Maybe if you are asked to create this project brief. If you finish creating the project brief and you need to attach it for somebody to review, you come over here and I say click attach. You go through, you click from your computer and you should be able to attach a document from there. So that's it. And let me attach this for you guys. Yeah, it's now here. So I'm going to attach it here. So let's say I'm the one who is creating this project brief. I've created project brief here and I attach it. You see, the document is attached here and I can say at, at this person the project brief. Doc is attached. For review, and I'll post it. So if this is my line manager, or maybe you want me, Mr. Charles, to review our documents, this is how you are going to highlight me. Or you see Digitech Ed, it means he's the person that is representing us in this project. As a project, you can highlight and say, this is it, attached, and you post. And you see here, I'll get a notification that you have sent something or you called my attention. And once I see, I will give a thumbs up, showing acknowledgement. So this is how you collaborate on a particular task. That's the purpose of this. You see the way I planned the task. When the task started, you see how I started collaborating. And that's it. So you see here history of activity here. So the purpose of using this is to keep history tab of everything that's going on in this project. So if you say, when you come, Mr. Charles, I need you to write a reference letter for me that I worked on ChantUp. I say, you've worked on ChantUp, are you sure? You say, yes. I say, okay. If I'm a very detailed person, I'll say, okay, I'll come over here and I'll see a contribution. Once I come to the chat history, I'll see what everybody is doing. Some of you who are waiting to download the certificate or who are waiting to, I can decide to withhold your certificate. When others are downloading, I'll just disable your own because you didn't participate. Yeah, you asked me to send you a reference letter. I've come over here and review your work and see you've not even made a single contribution here. I will deny you. So you are not buying, the money you paid is not enough to buy me to do what is not right. Yeah. Don't think say you paid that, you can just come and I don't do like that. So try to be part of this project. You're not doing it for me, it's for your own good. So that is it. See how that's how you come here. Once done, you see, it's still in progress. This shows that in progress. Once completed, you come here and click complete. You see, complete. That's how we see a project that is complete, and that is good. And that's it. So you come down, once you come down and keep on planning and keep on planning and keep on planning and keep on collaborating and keep on delivering and keep on winning. And that's it. That's what is expected. So you can see that this prep camp is the key thing here where a lot of activities are happening. WhatsApp group, as a matter of fact, things are not even supposed to be happening in WhatsApp going forward, because WhatsApp is not a proper way to manage a project. This is the proper way. Companies you are going to be working with, they might have WhatsApp group, but this is where they are going to be tracking activities, project activities, what everybody is doing, what is going on in this project. If anything goes wrong, the auditors will come here to track what goes wrong. If anybody say you abuse me, use foul language, this is where they're going to come to track activity, track comments, track inputs, whatever, and that's it. So you can see it's not difficult. And then before we leave, we'll go to our company. This is how we look like. This is ChantUp. So we are very big, extremely big. And here you can make a post. You see here, you can do a lot of things here. If you click on here, you see what you can do. You can send a voice note, you can create a blog, you can post a product, you can sell a product here, offer, you can create a job, company can, courses here. A lot of things can be done here. If you want to see it very well, click here. You see, this is what we can do here. So see here, it's all activities here. We have page, you can create a page. A page is just like Office, just like a page in Facebook, just like a page in Twitter, a page everywhere. Marketplace, this is marketplace where you can sell your product. This is where you can create blog. So all these bloggers you see here will have a very good place for you to create your blog and manage it. You can equally sell your blog here. You can product funding if you want to raise fund, if you offer, if you want to create job, if you want to create courses. You can even be selling your courses here, memories, if advertisement. You can make ad on your content. So content monetization, you can boost your content, look for people, events, you can create events, you can watch videos, and we'll equally have a forum here. We'll equally have a movie. So we can equally turn this into a Netflix and a game. So we have a lot of things that will keep people extremely busy. So, and that's what we are here for. For markets, which we are very actively looking for vendors. So you can see some vendors are already started. So we are selling these, our stuff here. If you need a copy or a piece of our t-shirt or our hoodie, once you order, it's going to be delivered to you sharp. You see where we are producing it is Port Harcourt. So if you make order any part of the Nigeria or even abroad, I'll send it to you. So that's it. And if you want to see here, if you want to buy, so this one here, you see it here, you can buy. From here, you see it here, I've added it, and how many pieces? 1 pieces, and I'll say checkout, select shipping address. So this is shipping address here. I select it where it's going to be delivered. This is my address. I click checkout, and here confirm. So that's it. And you can pay by your wallet. To have a wallet in this system, you can decide to pay via your wallet, or you can pay via bank transfer. So once you pay through bank transfer, we'll get a notification and we review. And if you made payment, yeah, we will approve the reward. Automatically, if you use wallet, automatically the trade or the this thing will go through. So, but if you use bank transfer, you will vet it, and that's it. So you see, so this bank transfer here. After making payment, upload your receipt or bank receipt, and upload it here, and that's it. And once you send, and they say thank you, so if you, the admin will receive a notification that somebody has paid into the account and review it, and yeah, so that's it. So once the product is delivered, once this is done, whoever is selling this product will receive a notification that somebody has paid for his product. The money is going to be in our escrow account pending when the seller delivers. As soon as the seller delivers the product, we release the money for the seller and we collect our own commission, just a tiny bit. And that's it. So you can sell as anything you want here. You can sell food, you can sell electronics, you can sell baby stuffs. You can sell boots here, both not only physical product, you can sell digital product like softwares. You see here, download link. For instance, if I want to sell any of my apps or software, I can do that here. So you can sell a source code, you know, something like that. Not only physical products. So it's a very big marketplace. We are going to scale this across the whole of Africa and the world, but we want to start from Nigeria. So that is it. You see shopping carts, and you see orders. You see all the orders here. You see this one is pending. This one is delivered. This one is placed. So you see this one I've just placed now. You see here is placed. So, and that's it. So that's how we track activities. You see here, you can view from your own end, you view your dashboard, both what you sold and what you buy. And you see activities here. You see this deliver, placed. So see, if somebody has placed this order, and that's it. Okay, that's it. And if you want to create a post as well, if you can equally sell from your account directly. For instance, this is my account. You know, this is my account. I can decide to sell directly from my account. This is my account directly, and I'll come here, create a product here and sell. I can equally create a post. A post which is just right here, create image, and if I want to add image or video, I can upload video from here. I can upload image from here. I have option to make my post a paid post. You see here, if I click options, I can say paid post, so that if you want to read my post or read my article, for instance, if I decide to be a fitness coach, I can make it a paid coach. On nutrition, diet and nutrition, people can just, I can be dropping it here, people can subscribe to read my tips, or I can become a forex trader that I'm selling signals. So if you want to be getting signals about my trade, stock market trade, Bitcoin trade, you can come here and create it. You'll be dropping it. So every person who is want to be getting from you can come here and subscribe to your post. If you see here, you become a paid post. Whoever doesn't pay cannot read it. They can see it, but they cannot read it. So that is it. If you want, you can equally create, add a tip. So somebody can read your article and just dash you some money for tea or coffee. It's a tip. So you see, these are ways of making money here. And you can equally be placing small ad, placing ad on your, depending on as we are growing. We equally have capacity to, once you create a post, you get a point. And that is it. The point can be converted into money. If you make a comment, you have the capacity to turn all of them on. If you make a comment, you aim by comment. So engagement can equally be giving you money here. So that's it. So that's all the stuff we've got, so that you know what we are doing. It's important you know what we are doing, and we have popular chants. We have recent chants. You can equally discover a chant here. You can, yeah. So that is it. Here you can create a story. If you want to add a story, you can create a story, add an image here, and video here. It becomes a story. And yeah, have a good, yeah, can just, yeah, and okay. Mm. I can equally add video. So yeah, I will just publish. Yeah. So if you see here, I've dropped a story here, and that is it. Yeah, that's my story. And that's what we have here. Let me show us so this is one of our major competitors, Twitter. You see, if you compare us with Twitter, I don't think they are doing better than us. So Twitter, they don't have a marketplace. Their earning capacity here is very limited. There's not much you can earn when you compare them. So we are really out for business. So you can support us by inviting your friends, your family, and actively, you can equally work here if you are serious to work with us, because we are going to scale across the world. Okay, our mobile app is going to be published. Yeah, in 1 week time, we should have it in Play Store and App Store. So that's it. We have a mobile app we can download from Play Store and App Store for now. And that's it. Our page is, you can equally create a page, page. Like for instance, this is my page here. Go to my page. These some of my pages. If you here, this is my page, one of my pages. If you don't want to sell on your account, you can keep your account separate, where you use it to send posts, videos, do whatever you want. and you can create a page. You become your business. So if you come here, if you want to be selling, your product will be on your page alone. You know, you can come and be selling on your page. If you see here, store. You see, we have I have one product here on my page. So my page becomes my business. And if you want to create a product on your page, you come here. This is on your page. Come over here. You create a blog. You can create a product. You can sell a product from your page directly. And that's it. That's the product page. You fill up the page, put the amount, the money you want, and put the picture of the product you are selling, and that's it. And people will be buying directly from your page. It's not going to appear on your personal timeline. It can only appear on your page timeline and your store. And then on our marketplace. People who want to go to marketplace directly, they come here and see marketplace. So for everybody. So people following your page can come on your page. All the people following your page, they will be buying your products. Yeah. So all these things we do in Facebook. Facebook do not have this capacity because Facebook, they have a Facebook market, but it's not as organized as our own. So that is where we have edges over some of our competitors. You know. So if you have any question, I think you should by now you should have understand the company where you are doing your internship, understand the platform where you are building your product, you are managing your project, you have your project group, and yeah. So I think I've basically covered almost everything I want you to know. So if you have a question for me, good and fine. So I encourage you to come here and build your page before it becomes too late. You know. So any question? Okay.
Hello, good evening, sir. I'm sorry, there's no light in my area.
No worries.
Am I permitted?
Yeah, sure, no problems.
Okay. Thank you for today's section. I noticed when you were displaying the shirt, and yeah, there was no size selections, and I feel is necessary.
Size selection now.
Yeah, for the cloth you are displaying.
Size selection, how? That's what I mean.
The size of the cloth. Maybe somebody want to purchase, you can go for extra large, or all those size. The size of the cloth. I mean.
Yeah. We know about that, so we're working on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Any more question?
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Good evening. Mr. President.
Yes. So please, before any person can come to you are listening to create a page, the app must be available first now.
No, if you want, you can. The website is ChantUp.com. I'll be posting it. So all these people who already have more than 1,000 people registered here already.
Okay.
So you can have accounts. When the app is ready for download, you can download it and use a password to just sign in. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Lady Vera.
Thank you so much, Mr. Charles. Thank you so much. I'm so honored to be part of this ChantUp project. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Please,
you.
I just want to know if we'll be getting an internship letter sort of that we can post on our social media like LinkedIn,
So we
before
don't give
the
it internship letter.
yes, sir.
Although we don't give you already on the internship, we don't give that kind of intern. Well, if any of our staff can do that, good and fine. Maybe Odinaka we can talk to Odinaka, but I don't have time to be giving out all those letters. But we can talk of Odinaka to be issuing out those letters. But I can't issue letters to how many people. Then, yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so I'm not the only one here. I can talk to Odinaka if you can do it. But for me, my table is full. I can't be issuing letter for internship. So,
We understand, sir. Thank you.
all right. Yeah. Austin Ben.
So, sir, okay, all right, so I want to confirm something from what you said. You've explained the ChantUp interface, and it looks like technically that almost everything has been done on the ChantUp page. So my question is, what we are going to do on the project on our group. I'm just curious, the reflective impact on the ChantUp. Like I was thinking maybe if the things we are going to do on our page, on our group, will reflect on the ChantUp so that we can like have a direct, maybe if we attend an interview and we can point to the interviewer that, okay, that this is exactly what we did on the ChantUp, that from our group, it reflected on the interface. Just a curiosity.
It doesn't, they're just like what we reflect is just like painting a picture. Is a frivolity. The main thing you are doing, the projects you are doing is not a project that will paint picture like TikTok. Well, we are just doing like all these TikTok videos and the ERP project is a more strategic project. I can tell you to come and create a page. It doesn't make sense. No company will hire you because you created a page here. I'm telling you, But you created ERP. Do you know what ERP? I don't even think you understand what ERP is for you to ask this kind of question. This is the back end. This is the backbone of what is happening here. Are you getting my point? So you go and read up, do more research to understand the impact of your project on this. So you are not coming to build ChantUp. ChantUp has been in existence for 5 years. I say it has been in existence for 5 years now. So the project is not building like just like you go to Google now or go to Facebook or go to Twitter. They don't need all those. There's a lot of projects going on there every day. And that's not interface project. Expert Chidema.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
good
you so
evening.
much for the opportunity. So my question is about ChantUp. Must any account someone is creating be verified before you be able to market your product on ChantUp?
Here we are advising people, in our own here, you see every account has a blue tick here, is verified. So all these people, for now, we are not collecting any money to verify your account. It's free. If you go to other accounts, other platform, it's not that way. If you go to Twitter, they collect money to verify your account. At times, it becomes subscription. You have to be paying them for you to have a verified account. So the answer is you can create accounts and start selling. But we are trying to make sure that everybody who is selling is a verified person, and we're trying to limit fraud. We're trying to promote integrity. So that's why we encourage you. Are not collecting money for you to get verified, but you are going to submit your national identity card, either international passport, either voter's card, or NIN, all these recognized government means of identification, or driver's license. That is where you can be verified that you are a true human being, not a fake person trying to defraud people. You know, so that is, although you cannot even defraud people, because if you post a product, you are selling something, before you can get money, you must have delivered the money. The person will pay into our escrow account. You know, you already know, all of you already know how it works. Until the product is delivered, that's when you get the money. And the person who wants to come and buy, you cannot get any product. You have to pay first before the product is delivered to you. So that is it. So it's expected. It's important you try, if you want to be serious here, doing business here, try to get your account verified. There's what we call garbage collector in this our platform. Account that is not verified will give your account 3 months to be verified. After 3 months and the account is not verified, we have an automated activity. All those accounts that is not verified after 3 months will be put in garbage, and automatically they will all be deleted. So that is what garbage collector is doing here in our every account. After 3 months and the account is not verified, automatically that account is regarded as a garbage. So if you want to be serious, we are going to make you to be serious to do business with us. And those prominent vendors who are serious to do business here, we see you are seriously doing business, selling, we see accounts, we can offer you loan to promote your business. Yeah, so these are things we need to do. We're equally going to be having offices in every state so that they can see us where we exist. Unlike our competitors like Facebook, we have never seen Facebook office in any place. Even in London, we have never seen any of their office. You know, we've not even seen people working for them. You know, and they are just every day packing our money. Twitter will do. So we want to be more visible. You know, we want to be more visible. Social media is no longer a serious business, because if you look at the amount of life that goes on in social media, it tends to be even more than the activities going on in the outer world. So we should take it seriously. A lot of people are doing businesses on social media these days. So social commerce is beginning to take over normal e-commerce business. So that's why we want to make it a big business, encourage people to come here, make money, live, and creating as many opportunities as possible, where you can sell your courses, you can sell your content, you can sell your product, digital product, you can sell your physical product, and as so many as possible. So a lot of other good things are coming. So, Esther,
Okay, so I want to know who confirms when a product has been delivered? Is it
Well,
the customer or the seller?
once you get a product, you yourself, you can confirm that your product has been delivered. Are you getting my point? If they deliver a product to you, if you receive the product, if you purchase something, if you go to your account, you see the product. So you have where you can confirm. Once you receive the product, you go there and confirm that the product has been delivered. And once you confirm that it has been delivered, automatically the money will be released. If the person refuses to confirm the product is delivered and will verify that it's delivered, we release the money. So we don't have so we have a way of knowing that the product is delivered or not. So we'll have admins working here. The system do not run. Have people that will be working, resolving conflict resolution and a lot of things going on. So people cannot be scared of selling products here. As a matter of fact, we are prepared for this business. Ajala Juliet.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much, Mr. Charles. Can you see me?
Yes,
okay.
I can see you. Shining.
Okay, so my question is based on our internship that we are starting. So my question is, from your experience, sir, what are the common mistakes that students usually make in this internship that you want us that we should avoid? Then what would you recommend that we should focus on most in our first week so that we will start strong?
Yeah, I've seen, I've given you the project, a guide, that project breakdown structure. Follow it. First, create, plan your project the way I ask you to plan it. Try to participate. It's not a big thing to ask. Just be participate. Follow up and participate. If you along the line and you get confused, we are here. We are standby and to guide you people. At the end of once in every week, we'll have what we call project status update meeting, where we are going to review every team's activity. If you guys are not getting it right, then I'm going to correct you people and put you people on track. So, but the main thing is that you try to be a part of this project. Participate actively. That is it. So if you will have weekly meeting on this project, the rest of the activities will have a few, a handful of lessons on business analysis that we need to finish up. So the rest of the days, we use it for business analysis to finish up. Then once every week, I'll have a meeting with you guys. I think it's going to be every Monday going forward. It's going to be called Project Status Update, so that I will review what we are doing, and those who are not doing well, we'll find out why we are not doing well, we'll correct you, you move on.
All right, thank you, sir.
No worries. Okay. Thank you, everyone, and welcome to your project. That is your basic project in ChantUp. We'll have so many other projects coming up in ChantUp, which is not part of, because if you want to be part of other project activities, we are going to be rolling out what we are doing. We want to capture Nigerian universities actively. We're going to have a massive activities going on in Nigerian university. We're going to have campus ambassadors, Uniport, University of Nigeria, Unilag, is going to be massive. We want to capture these Gen Zs and want to shift their mind from TikTok to come and start making real money here. Shift their mind to playing around in TikTok. Shift their mind from Facebook. There is activities here. We learn our problems. So most of the social media created by the West is not for the Africans. The global South, which we are the Africans, they don't put us into consideration when they are planning their projects. Most of the things they are doing it for themselves. But we see that is good, we want to adapt it. But we are not getting the full value of it. So we are tailoring every activity to our need. We know what we need. We are capturing surveillance to understand how we are suffering using social media. And we are going to address all those challenges. So that is it. It's our platform. We want to use it to create opportunities, job opportunities. We need to make money. Our people need to make money. And that's the only thing we can do, creating opportunities. Yeah. So, and once it started booming, we'll make sure that any activity, anything you do here, you get benefits. Every post, if you are creating a good post here, you will be making a lot of money. They are not paying us anything. I see the amount of effort our people put on social medias, Facebooks. If you see what people are doing on Facebook, on Twitter, and TikTok to make money, and they are not making anything. I see some people will even want to go naked on Facebook just to make money. But those people, they will create some crazy videos to make money. But they are not making money. They will refuse to allow these people to earn money. We don't need to go that extra mile to make money, on social media. We can create a decent ways, and that's what we are doing. Decent ways of making money on social media, not just posting irrelevant videos, All right, thank you everyone, and see you guys tomorrow. We'll have a class tomorrow, business analysis, continue, and yeah. So those who have not accepted their invites, go and accept your invites and start work immediately. The first thing is to get a lead. So going forward, if you have interest, just go and start indicating interest that you want to become your team lead. And within the week, we streamline it and select those who are going to lead us. Yeah. But as that is going on, it will not stop you from trying to find a way to be working on your project, because the project has started. So as a matter of fact, the way you try to, work now that you are not a leader will determine if people will start thinking of voting you to become their leader. So if I'm you and I want to be a leader, I should start trying to even go and start creating, planning the projects, and whatever I can do to impress. So thank you, and see you tomorrow.
Thank you, Mr. Charles. Good night.
Thank you, and good night, sir.